Here's how you change the ringtone volume on a Farfisa EX352 handset. On the front, you've got 3 buttons. You've got a key, square, and a diamond. We're going to start with the handset on the hook. And first thing you do is hold down the square button for 4 seconds until you hear a tone. Next thing, hold down the diamond button for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now press the square button, and it cycles from quiet to loud. Cycle through until you find a volume that you're happy with. Press the key button, and you get 3 little beeps to confirm that it has saved. And that's how you change the volume on a Farfisa EX352 handset.